Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget for Modi 3.0 focuses on inclusive growth, transformative reforms, and a simplified tax system under the GYAN framework. GYAN, which refers to Garib, Yuva, Annadata, and Nari Shakti. The budget aims to reduce the tax burden for the middle class, accelerate infrastructure development, and boost digital transformation across the country. A new income tax bill will introduce revised slabs and transparent procedures. Incomes up to 12 lakh rupees per annum are tax-free, and a higher standard deduction benefits salaried employees. The time allowed to file returns has been extended from 2 years to 4 years, offering taxpayers more flexibility. Adjustments have been made to reduce compliance hassle, such as rationalizing TDS and TCS rules. The fiscal deficit is projected to narrow over the coming years, supported by a revised capital expenditure plan. An asset monetization strategy aims to unlock 10 lakh crore rupees, and simplified foreign direct investment rules are expected to attract global capital. Special schemes are being introduced to boost production in sectors like footwear, leather, toys, and solar PV cells. A 25,000 crore rupees Maritime Development Fund will help modernize shipbuilding and promote circular economy practices. States will work on a 3-year pipeline of projects eligible for public-private partnership funding. Modern digital tools will be used for project tracking and management, ensuring transparency and timely progress. Increased funding for the PM Kisan scheme and a boost in agri credit to benefit 12 crore farmers. Initiatives for improved seed quality, crop diversification, and advanced irrigation projects are in place. Real-time digital platforms will provide market information and price transparency, helping farmers make informed decisions. New central universities in aspirational districts and expanded capacities at institutes like the IITs will enhance higher education. An initiative to create a comprehensive digital repository for students across the country. Efforts to provide high-speed internet access in government secondary schools and primary health centers, particularly in rural areas. Programs focused on emerging technologies like AI, robotics, and blockchain are designed to prepare youth for Industry 4.0. Ayushman Bharat is being extended to cover all senior citizens above 70 years. Establishment of AIIMS-like institutions in underserved areas. Broadband connectivity for primary health centers will facilitate telemedicine and digital record keeping, ensuring better patient management. Emphasis on increasing vaccination drives and medical college seats to improve public health outcomes. Introduction of interest-free loans for women entrepreneurs under schemes like Stand Up India. Increased maternity benefits and focused support for girls' education in STEM fields. The Startup India Seed Fund is being doubled to foster innovation. Special programs will include digital training to equip youth with modern technological skills, along with large-scale apprenticeship and sports talent initiatives. Special packages include new highways, improved rail connectivity, and dedicated health and educational institutions. Skill development centers will integrate digital learning platforms to prepare local youth for emerging job markets. Enhanced flood management projects in vulnerable districts aim to ensure timely relief and recovery. Lower duties on lithium batteries and tax exemptions on materials like cobalt powder to promote renewable energy. Dedicated funding for developing green energy sources, a significant push for 5G infrastructure, and robust cybersecurity measures to support a secure digital economy. Enhancing e-governance through advanced digital platforms for improved citizen services. Increased funding for indigenous defense production and advanced military technology. Strengthening border infrastructure with a focus on efficient digital monitoring systems for enhanced national security. Modi 3.0 budget focuses on reducing middle class taxes, boosting economic growth, and promoting digital solutions in education, healthcare, and infrastructure with clear deadlines for key initiatives.